Valencia, a golfer's paradise located in the IMG area of South Bradenton in a lush tropical setting. This maintenance-free 3/2 main floor condo has one of the best locations in the community. Set off from the road, your deeded carport is in front of the unit. The pool is steps away from your back enclosed lanai. Owner has recently updated the condo with new bathroom fixtures, tile, updated neutral paint throughout, 6 inches baseboards, new lighting fixtures for a fresh modern look. Easy to care for tile floors throughout most of the condo in a diagonal pattern for an updated look. This is an ideal home for a full-time or part-time resident. The master bedroom suite has a walk-in closet, reach-in closets, linen closet and ensuite bathroom, and direct access to a screened lanai. Split bedroom plan with 2 bedrooms and full guest bath, great for family and friends who visit. Both bedrooms have direct access from the slider doors to the private open lanai, which is gated. Kitchen is bright roomy with plenty of cabinet and counter space, room for a small kitchenette table and chairs if you choose. Closet laundry with stackable washer/dryer. Large open floor plan with a living room dining room combo for comfortable relaxed living. One pet up to 100 pounds is allowed. Valencia Gardens with golf, tennis, Sarasota Bay Anna Maria beaches, so close by you will never run out of things do. Sarasota/Bradenton